What's going on YouTube? So back with another video with my Insta360 Ace Pro 1. So this is the original Insta360. This is not the second version, right? And I recently went out with it and I'm gonna show you guys some video that I did with it. Unfortunately, it was raining and I wasn't able to take it out and walk around and vlog with it using this mic adapter that I picked up off eBay because I wanted to use it with the microphones that I'm using right now, which are the mic minis. But I did do a little blog with the microphones that are on this camera itself, and I'll play that toward the end. But I just want to say though, man, moving forward, this lineup right here is basically my lineup. My 1X2 finally crapped out on me. It kind of technically crapped out on me. I don't know what it's going to do when I turn it on. So sometimes it turns out right. Sometimes the highlights are so blown out you can't see anything. So I put that away, and moving forward, these are the cameras that I'm just going to use. I'm just going to make work. I got a few trips that are coming up, and I do plan on blogging with this one as well as this one. This one I mainly use as POV. So anytime you see mainly POV shots, unless it's somewhere in the image saying that it's one of these two cameras, it's going to mainly be the Action 2. But anyway though, guys, just a quick video for you all today. I'm still enjoying this. This is still my favorite camera of all the cameras I have, including the GoPro Hero 13 Black that I never use, and I'm pretty much I'm going to give that away pretty much because I have no use for it. And as far as the trips that are coming up, there will be some where it's going to be road trips. There are going to be some where it's going to be in amusement parks, theme parks, things of that nature. Just showing off the camera quality of these things and just doing a regular blog. So videos like this where I'm specifically focusing on the camera are going to be limited. I'm not going to try to do too many more of these. I'm just going to start just doing day in the life blogs with these cameras. Instead of always coming back and just showing clips of this, I'm just going to be out and about showing you guys my day of what I do when I use these specific cameras, the type of bag I'm taking, the microphones I'm using, different things like that, like the different tech that I use for different scenarios and situations. Now, for the person who asked me about the cell phone, I don't really use my iPhone that much for video anymore. Maybe some shorts and maybe some TikTok videos, but mainly everything's done on these Action cameras. Stabilization is great, video quality is good enough, and you can always upgrade the quality in post. So if you're shooting in H.2.64 or 2.65, you can always upscale that video to ProRes or LT or whatever. It just takes longer to upload to YouTube. But to me, it's not that big a deal. It's not like I'm retired. I really have nothing to do. So I'm not trying to really have a job, but this is just fun for me. It gives me something to do and it keeps me active. Okay, guys? But the Insta360 Ace Pro is my favorite camera as of today. Even though this is an awesome camera and still this one is as well, I still just choose this one because it just fits my eye for whatever reason. Okay, guys? So that's it for this video. I want to share this little blog that I did. Unfortunately, it was raining. We stopped at this restaurant to grab some breakfast. And then after that, man, basically headed home because it ended up raining for the next 2 to 3 days straight. So that was pretty much it. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I'm out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day. What's going on, guys? Don't have my microphone out and there's a lot of wind, so hopefully this comes out clear. I don't know, but it's raining. What I had planned to do today got stopped because of the rain. That sucks. So we stopped here at this restaurant to grab breakfast and probably head to over to one of the malls. We'll see, but it sucks today. Whole day got shot. Anyway, that's how it goes. See you in the next one.